Changing our location and changing the type of location was so powerful in the evolution of our business.
'Cause it goes back and forth. I know that you feel that pressure, but I don't ever fall. Keep on rising like a diamond in the rough. In the rough, diamond.
It was the best move that we could have possibly done. This was the rebranding of CHIC. We were Dallies, and by coming to 9 Wilson Street, Factory 2, we became CHIC Management. It was the concept. We looked like a warehouse in Soho in New York. We had an agency from New York come to visit. They walked in and I could see that they were wowed, and they actually said to us that this is the best agency that we've visited in Australia.
Number one, yeah, I just wanna take my faith and make it on my own. Yeah.
Having these open ceilings is quite incredible. There is so much more light. For our students, when they come into our studios, rather than the typical 4 walls and a low ceiling, we've got exposed brick, and it really brings a sense of character. Another factor of moving here was the green space, the common. It's been really exciting to go on this journey. We became more current, it created more energy, and it actually made us look differently at the business that we have and how we do business. If you are hesitating because it's not the same as what you have, that's a good thing, because it's different, and I truly believe it's better.